with cooperation. Today I would like to tell you how to install the machine and the operation. Now you can see the handle. Install the handle and then install this device. And you can see the connector. It is considered corresponded with this connector. And this one is. Okay, install it and the first switch. This hole is for the foot switch. Also correspond the connector. Then this one is for the add water, and this one the water spill water. It means that if the water enough, it will spill out from this hole. And this one is the draining. It also means that you should change the water once and one time, 1 month. And the water should be pure water, distilled water. Okay, let's use the funnel. This one is the funnel, and then press it. Okay, when the water is enough, it will spill out from this hole. Okay, when connect this one and press it. Yeah. Okay, let's connect the power light and turn on the switch. Okay. And this one is the key for the switch. Turn the switch and the start. This one is the energy start. You can see the screen. CO2 laser. The fraction, it has 4 models: fraction, normal, and the unit and the value. And this one, the power, you can adjust to 40. But during the operation, we start from 8 to 10. Yeah, it is okay. We adjust it to 8 from 8, and the duration is just to 2, and this one is 4. Distance 1, and the scale model we suggest to normal. We also have 3 models, but it have the same effects. It depends on you, but we suggest the normal, and the terms we suggest 1. And this is a type of the treatment. And this preview, you can preview it. Yeah, you can see my hand. See my hands, and then this one for adjust the big and the small. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now we can get ready. Yeah. For the treatments, we suggest cover the eyes, glasses for the customer. And then cream your face. Okay, we can get started.都没有了，就是红红的。这个好明显。
有点。
脸比较敏感。The operation like this, and of the whole face. Yeah, you can see the treatment. Now we just start the normal. 太小了。In the parallel, we also suggest for 8 to 10. Yeah, 8. And just impulse also it has this 3 mode. Impulse run and sing and the continuous, but we suggest the single and the impulse, because the continue it is really high energies, and this one we also minister certificate of the doctor. Okay, now it's can get ready. And also we should change the handle. We choose the impulse mode. Yeah, for the interface mode, we suggest this mode. And you can see the effect. Yeah, and also the other one is to continue words is like this. This is the continual, very high power. Yeah. And a single one. Impulse one. This one is very effective for the more removal. Okay, stand by and choose the genius mode. Change the mode, we also should change the handle. And remember this one, it is together. And insert this one. and choose the vaginal mode. And change this handle. Now install the brushes. And install it. And this one is for the strength vaginal. And the start, we can adjust previews, and the infrared light should be in the center of the handle. Yeah. And the power we also suggest from 8 to 10. And these ones we set up ready. Okay, get ready. And guess this one is the woman vaginal. Okay, we put inside the handle of the vaginal, and then inside, and then move 0.5. One time finish, and 0.5 move. It's the same, yeah. One by one, yeah. And the temperature of the vaginals, it should be 16 to 17 temperature. Yeah. Like this, and the bed and move and bed, and about 3 times. Okay, now we choose the value run. And also change the handle. This one is for when install it. And the power 8. Get ready. In the preview, you can see the size. Also, you can adjust it. Yeah, and slide the vaginal outside vaginal, and one by one move. Yeah. Okay, stand by. And last year we also have this handle. This also for the outside of the vaginal, Okay, and the details, please read the user manual. Okay, thank you.